Hello there. As we look ahead to Friday, it's another cloudy one for most of us, and out towards the west we are starting to see a bit of a change. We will see a band of rain beginning to move in as we go through the course of the day. Thursday evening, lots of cloud around. We're still keeping an eye on some showers down towards the southeast. Some of these could still be heavy before they fade away overnight. So that really leaves a lot of the UK under a layer of cloud. That cloud thick enough at times to produce the odd spit and spot of rain. And towards the very end of the night, we can just start to see this area of rain beginning to work its way into the west of Northern Ireland. But with all the cloud around, no real problems with temperatures for most of us staying comfortably in double figures. So Friday morning is going to start off on a fairly grey note for most of us, but for parts of Scotland, England and Wales, we will see that cloud break up at times to allow some spells of sunshine to happen. But out towards the west, a rather grey, wet day to come for Northern Ireland, with that rain potentially heavy at times. And then later on in the day, it starts to reach parts of southwest Scotland and also maybe Wales and northwest England. So under the cloud and rain, temperatures struggling, only really reaching the high teens. But over towards the east, if we do see some sunshine, potentially reaching 22 or 23 degrees. We may continue to see some late spells of sunshine over towards the east as we end Friday, but out towards the west, that rain continuing to pile in, potentially turning heavy and persistent in places. So a wet old night for some of us as we start Saturday morning, but once again, a fairly mild start to the day. So really on Saturday, a fairly wet picture for many parts of the west, and that rain also be accompanied by a fairly strong wind, especially down the Irish Sea. Over towards the east, we might hang on to the dry weather for most of the day, and also maybe some sunshine here, but even here later on in the day, that rain will arrive. But at the same time, actually, Northern Ireland may start to cheer up with some late spells of sunshine here. Temperatures on Saturday, once again, if you are under the rain, temperatures really going to be struggling a little bit. Might feel a bit more humid though than it has done of late, and that humidity may just allow temperatures just to climb to about 24 degrees down there in the southeastern corner. Into Sunday, that rain will still be with us, potentially quite heavy in places, so we are keeping a very close eye on that. But then, as we go into next week, high pressure finally begins to build back in, and that will settle the weather down as we go into next week with more in the way of some warmer weather, but also some more sunnier weather. If you want more information about that, you can always check out on the website or also on our social media channels.